Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we will once again look at a topic which is very much interested, which is converting an Excel file, Microsoft Excel file, and extracting all this data and exporting it to a CSV file, which is comma separated value file. For this specific purpose we will be using two modules in Node.js. First one, it will allow us to actually read or parse all this data that you see, the header row, these columns. We will use this read Excel file module in Node.js. The second module, we will use all the data which we read in the form of JSON. We need to convert this into CSV. For that specific purpose, we will be using this second module called as json2csv. So with the help of these two modules, guys, we will be accomplishing this task of converting Microsoft Excel file to CSV file. So if I just show you running the script, I developed the script, Node.js script. So just see in the left hand side as I execute this, a file will be created. Excel file has been converted to CSV, and you will basically see output.csv has been created. If I open this file, you will see these values will be separated by comma. This is actually the header row, segment, country that you see, product. So all this data that you see, guys, has been successfully converted. You will see that. So in this way, we will actually be using these two modules to actually convert Excel file to CSV file. Let me first of all show you which modules we are using. Just go to npmjs.com, Node Package Manager website. Just search for this package, read Excel file. This is actual first package we are using this. It's a very simple module which allows you to actually read your Excel files, the data, and this is actually command npm I read Excel file. Very simple command to actually install this. So it's over 102,000 weekly downloads, a very popular module. Then we have to use our JSON to CSV. So with the name itself, it converts your JSON files to CSV files directly. So it also has million downloads, weekly downloads, a very popular module. So npm I json to csv. Just make a Node.js project, install these two packages, read Excel file, and the second package is json to csv. So just install these two packages. I have already installed it. So after installing it, let me just now write the code step by step. Let me just delete this file, output.csv. So we have this index.js file. So first of all, we will be declaring this variable. We need to require this module read Excel file, and we need to use the Node version. So we will /node. It can even be used in the browser side as well, CommonJS. We will be using the Node version of it. And then we also need to just require the parser method, which is present inside this module json to csv. And also we need to require the built-in file system module, which will allow us to actually read and write files. And also we need to require the path module as well. So just require these four modules at the very top. You will see that we are requiring it. And now we need to define the paths, guys, for input and output file. So we will be defining the Excel file. So here we will use the path module .resolve, and from the current directory it is present sample.xls. It is present in the same directory, so we will simply make sample.c. Then we need to give the CSV file path as well. So path.resolve, and here we need to give the output file name, which is output.csv. That's all. So now we need to define a function which will actually carry out this process. Let me define it as convert Excel to CSV. We will provide Excel file and the CSV file path as two arguments. Now we need to define this function. It will be a async function. Async function convert. So inside this async function, guys, we will have these two arguments, which is Excel file and the CSV file. So right here guys, first of all we need to read the Excel file. So for reading the Excel file, we will use await keyword because it's a async function, and we will use this read Excel file module that we imported right here, read Excel file, and it's a constructor. It basically need to pass our Excel file as an argument, and it basically reads the Excel file, and then it return the number of rows right here. If you can console log it just to cross check, if you run your application, so all the data will be returned to you in the form of arrays. You will see that. Now using this array, we can basically first of all extract our first row, which is actually the header row. This is the actual header row that you see, segment, country, product, discount, VAT. So if I just console log this will be the header row. You will see that. So this is actually an array, each containing our header row. So now we need to simply extract our data rows. For doing this, we will simply run a simple for loop. So we need to slice it. We will say that rows dot slice the first one, and then we need to map a row. We will simply say row data. The slice function basically means that we don't want the first row, we don't want this, we only need to start it from the second value, which is the actual data. We don't want the first row because it's a column. That's why we are using slice and passing it 1 right here. And then we define row data to be empty object, and then row for each, we will use the for each loop. For each, and here we will pass our cell and the index number. So here you can say row data is equal to cell. That's all that we need to do, and after that we just need to return the row data from this. So this data will be there, assign it. So now we can simply console log it simply to check if we got all the data inside of a JSON. So if you just run this, you will basically see it is saying cell is not defined. Okay, I think I made some kind of mistake right here. Cell. Now run it. You will basically see now it actually converted that array into an array of object. Each object is holding this information, which is the column name. This is the country, product, discount, sale. You will see that. So each object is holding this information, and now we need to convert this JSON object, JSON array of JSON objects to a CSV file. For doing this, we will use this json2csv parser. So this parser that we imported early on at the top, if you see from the base library of json2csv, we are using this parser method, and here we need to pass our for option of header to true. So header will be true, CSV data, and now this contains this method which is parse. We will parse the data. After parsing it, we will get it inside the CSV format, and then we need to write this data at the CSV file path. I can just show you the data, CSV data in console log. So all this data that you see in double quotes, each value is separated by comma, and you will see this if you change the file name, output 222. So once again this file will get created output. So you will see all that Excel data has been converted to a CSV file. First of all, we converted this data to array of JSON object. Then we use this JSON to CSV library to actually convert the JSON data to CSV file. Very simple. You will see the format. It is converted successfully to a CSV file. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel and share this channel with your friends, and I will be seeing you in the next video.